Where'd my car go? I need someone to help me find this. I hear there's a sketchy what are they called again? Fortune teller. Sketchy fortune teller. I can go to him. That's where I'm gonna go. I'll go through the window. Oh, I feel like going to the door. Window! Ow! Hello, sir. Sir, I'm here to see I lost my car.
Sit down!
Where? Now what?
Speak.
I lost my car, and I need to find it. Ow, that's bright. Oh, that is very bright. Can you help me? Oh. Huh? Oh! Turn it off. Listen, can you help me with my car?
Well, you see, I remember, I can see, you woke up at 8 o'clock this morning. Am I right?
Yeah. Wait a second. Where'd my phone go? Oh well, that's not important right now.
So, I remember that. So, I remember you got a coffee mug from your kitchen, but that
How'd you know?
was right after you woke up at 8 a.m.
It's kind of legit.
And you see, then you went outside, dropped your coffee mug, spit out your coffee to make it look dramatic so that everyone would think you're cool. But actually...
Wait, can we keep that a secret between me and you? Don't let anyone know I didn't make anything that cool.
Just delete that off of my Instagram. Alright, so... Huh? What? Oh, and lastly, you lost your car.
Ooh, this is insane. Do you know anything else about it?
Huh?
You know anything else about it?
Ew, bro. Who does that with their car? Ew, that's even worse. Okay, so I've made a conclusion. So my conclusion.
Wait, how do you know? Oh yeah, that's right. You're a fortune teller. Okay.
My conclusion. You and your car were very close.
Yes.
That's all I have
right.
to say about it.
Where is it though?
You know, come here. I'll draw you a map.
Hold on. Oh!
Ow.
You should really get a new, better chair for your client.
What did you just say to me?
Nothing. All right. So what's this of? What's this?
So you see, this is where we are right now. It
Yeah.
says me and you. Cool is next to my name, and loser is next to your name. Okay?
Why am I a loser?
Maybe it's because you think that this is a legit company.
What? Is this
What?
not legit?
No, it's perfect.
Okay. All right. That's what I thought.
All right, so this is the map that you are going to need to follow.
All right. Why does it say McDonald's Happy Meal treasure map?
I don't see it. Where do you see that?
Are you just sponsored or something?
You know what? I sense that you are seeing something on a map that says...
Is it because of my car it's gone? I'm starting to hallucinate things.
And you are seeing McDonald's Happy Meal treasure map because that is where you got your car.
Come on, we need to hurry up. I can't take this anymore.
All right. You have to go over here through the jungle. All right, that's a very wonky looking jungle. Over here through the Amazon River.
Sounds dangerous, deadly.
Very. There's some dangerous stuff in there. And then whatever this is, through another jungle. Whatever this is, and then keep going, blah, blah, blah. and then X marks the spot.
I swear this looks like a McDonald's treasure man. I mean, that's where the kids go up there to play, and then you gotta do the little word search, and then this is the little this is the little play area where you have to help the kids get through the.
Like I told you, you're seeing things.
Okay, what's that lead to? Hurry up! I need.
All right, just let me. I have to.
Talk.
I have to. Come on, help me think. What's the car's name again?
Come on, put your thinking cap on.
What is the?
You have your thinking cap on the wrong way. That's why. There, thinking cap. Then I press the on button.
Oh, that's so much better. All right.
All right.
So you are going to Japan.
Oh, it's so far.
Wait. Oh, I read that wrong. Maybe it's gonna. What did you do to my thinking cap?
Okay.
All right. Now I'm ready.
All right. What are you gonna tell me? What I gotta do? All right. You know what I'm gonna do about this?
What?
I'm gonna